Look, family, hold on. I got a whole big old pot of, ooh, come on, light, of squash noodles. It took me 11 squashes to get this whole big old pot full of noodles. And I sauteed it in a little bit of homemade chicken stock. And I got some peas and carrots in here and some little pieces of chicken meat in here. Or big pieces. And then I took I'm all over the place. I took the little pieces that didn't get spiralized and I just made them into little cubes. And I put them in here too. Let me take this out. But look, I'm everywhere. I got a whole big pot, if I can keep the camera over it, of zucchini noodles. Looking like dang pasta. And what's the other one called? Linguine. Because that's what I'm about to do. Linguine. This is my linguine. And I'm going to top it with some of my roasted chicken over there. But I just wanted to share this. I don't know if y'all probably can't even see what I'm about to get down on. Peas and carrots and linguine noodles, I'm calling them, made from my spiralized squash. Big pot, tender, firm, veggie noodles. Alright, family, I'm just going to make me a little bowl and then I'll take a picture and show you guys. Be back. Okay, family, I have made me a plate of linguine veggie noodles, out of veggie noodles, my linguine pasta made from squash. And I have some roasted chicken here. I have some breasts, and I'm going to have me a wing. And I have some blueberries, orange slices, and lemon slices for today's Greedy Lady Healthier Meals Diet. Now, what I would like to explain to some of you all who are new to my channel, who are quite familiar or really understanding what exactly it is that I'm doing, well, this is what's going on. I have autoimmune disease, I have some allergies, and I have indigestion and all that stuff. So I changed my diet, and I've been, and I'm allergic. Well, I'm allergic to grains, and that's including corn. And I can't have any bread because it's made out of grains. And it might be some bread out there not made out of grains, but I don't know about all that. And I would prefer eating foods not processed. So I'm more into eating fresh foods or stuff that I cook that I know what's in it. So anyway, what I want to say is also is that I'm not choosing not to eat bread or any other good things. It's because I'm allergic to grains. So that's why I can't have bread. It's like if you're vegan or vegetarian or whatever and they're choosing not to eat meat, that's not me choosing not to eat something. With me, it's because I have an allergy. I would love to eat a sandwich with some white bread and all kind of cakes and pies made from flour. But right now, I have decided to completely stop jacking up my body because I break out horribly when I'm not eating right, when I'm eating things I'm not supposed to eat. So now I am eating the correct diet that's healthier for me. And all this stuff I'm documenting is what's going on with my body. And if someone is like me or understand this type of thing, then I guess you would like some of the meals I am preparing. But in no way am I trying to be a doctor or telling people how to live their life. food choices in no way. Disclaimer, this is all about me, what I have to eat for in order to not to have indigestion. I can't eat certain foods that are hard for me to digest because I don't have the enzymes in my gut. So the foods you see me eating are the foods that I can tolerate and that I can eat without suffering. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And also, I also want to let you know when I say I season my food with herbs, I'm talking about the fresh herbs. All right, so this is what I'm doing for me, and I still have lots of other foods I need to try. And I have an elimination list, which I say I put foods on until I find out if it's giving me heartburn or if it's going to break me out. All right, people, so this is my meal today. I have created linguine with peas and carrots, and I made a sauce. Well, not a sauce. I had a broth that I made fresh chicken broth, and I just sauteed my noodles in that. I like the firmness. I don't like them mushy, and this is what I'm enjoying today. Thanks for watching. I know that this light I'm holding, this little flash thing. Okay. All right. Thank y'all. See y'all in a minute. Have a good one. Happy Valentine's Day, or whatever holiday you're celebrating with your loved ones or your family. See you guys in a minute.